Yusuf. I'm from AGPC, so Emirates Group Photography Club. I'm part of it, and today we are organizing this fashion photography. And I was so happy to see you guys as a group, and you also requested to be together to practice photography. And it's a very nice hobby. Of course, maybe this one is a bit of on a high level, but of course you'll get the hang of it, and you will be not that bump that you will face during your photography career. This is only about practicing. Practice to be amongst other photographers, to take your spot, make your settings of your know your camera first of all. That is very important. And just go for it. Practice. The more you practice, the better you become a good photographer. Okay. And I'm very happy that you joined us today on this event, and hope to see you next time again. Okay.
Rami, and I'm corporate manager for Grand Stores, and we are let's say the biggest and best destination for photography equipment in UAE market. So today we're hosting this event for a fashion shoot, and we are happy to see that some kids are enjoying and joining us in today's workshop. So we hope that they are utilizing and getting more knowledge about photography, enhancing their photography skills as well with Grand Stores and Nikon.
It was really fun. I learned new things in terms of photography. So yeah.
The way they explained things at the beginning was very insightful into a photographer's job and what he has to consider. There's a lot more that goes into photography than what we think, and a lot more thoughts put into it when shooting, even though it's just a simple picture.
Doing the photography itself with in front of actual models.
Shooting itself.
Yeah.
It was great.
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
We learned a lot about fashion.
Yeah, and lighting and ISO.
Yeah.
I feel inspired.
I feel like sometimes it can be complicated. And how can photographers hold their hands for so long like this? It's so heavy.
Yeah.
It was amazing. It's the best experience I ever had in my life. I've never experienced how to do cameras. So doing cameras is one of my new hobbies now because I like to capture things in the moment. Oh my God, it's such an amazing thing to finally capture a model in disguise. And it's a great experience for everyone. Everyone should experience it.